thank you school for organizing this wonderful activity. It was really a nice and very awesome activity. So parents wake up early, they prepared something delicious and they brought in and served. And we all tasted a lot of good food from each part of India.
And today we got the chance to be part of Flavours of India, and this was organized by Mayoor School and the teachers over there. So we were very thrilled to be part of this complete program, and we were able to taste different variety of food which has been brought by parents of different students. And it was wonderful to see a lot of people participating, and we were able to taste and the yum food that was prepared by everyone in this program.
Loved it. I believe all the parents have put in a lot of efforts, and it was a nice day for the school to have parents engage and talk to each other. My son has been to 3 schools, and this is the first event that we attended for this school, and I really loved it. I loved every minute of it.